It's month of December and there is something special. Yes, it's Christmas and Christmas is followed by New Year. Definitely there is festive spirit in the air. Each festival has its own speciality in food. In today's video, I'm going to show you two varieties of Christmas goodies. One is rose cookies and another is rice laddus. Both are part of Kuswa recipes. For more videos, do follow my channel. Let's see how to prepare it, but before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And also click the bell icon to get the notification. To prepare rose cookies, we need coconut milk around 2 cups, rice powder half a cup, maida or all-purpose flour around 1.5 cup, sugar powder 1 cup, egg 1, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, black sesame seeds around 2 teaspoon and oil to fry. To prepare these rose cookies, we need the mold. Here I have two varieties of such mold. We get this in few stores. So the first step is to prepare the batter. I have taken an egg in a bowl. To this add sugar powder and slightly whisk it. You can even use the electronic beater or a hand whisk. Add salt as per taste and then mix it well. Now add the rice flour and mix it. Add thick coconut milk and keep mixing. Mix this batter only with the coconut milk. Once the rice flour is completely mixed, then add all-purpose flour and give it a good mix. Add coconut milk and mix it well. Make sure that there are no lumps. So the batter should reach to this consistency. Once it's done, add sesame seeds. Here I have taken black sesame seeds. You can use even the white. And add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix well. Now the batter is ready. Meanwhile, keep the oil to heat in a kadai and also dip the mold in the oil so that the mold is completely heated. Once it is done, dip the mold into the batter half or 3/4 and then immediately dip into the oil and you get the rose cookies. Make sure that you keep the mold in the oil itself. So dip and immediately dip into the oil. The rose cookies will get separated from the mold. So do the same with the remaining batter. It's really very quick and easy to prepare. Do try. And if you like, please do comment. Now let's see how to prepare the yummy and tasty rice laddus. Here we need the brown rice around 1.5 cup, jaggery 1 cup, coconut grated or coarsely ground 1 bowl, cashews 2 tablespoons, salt to taste, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon and oil or ghee 1 teaspoon. Firstly, we need to wash the rice thoroughly and then sun dry for 3 to 4 hours. Once it is completely dried, we need to roast the rice until it is slightly puffed. When it's done, cool and then powder it. To the same kadai, add jaggery and half a cup of water and mix it well. Let the jaggery melt. To this, add the coconut and once again mix it. Let it cook for 1 or 2 minutes. The jaggery need not come to a gluey texture. It is enough if it is just boiled and mixed well with the coconut. Reserve little rice powder to prepare the rice balls. So now the coconut is completely mixed with the jaggery and add the cashews. This is optional, you can add even other dry fruits. Add little salt and also cardamom powder. Switch off the flame and then add the rice powder and give it a good mix. Apply oil or ghee to your palms and then take a small amount of the mixture and make rice balls. So here the rice balls are ready. Once it is done, smear these prepared rice balls with the reserved rice powder. So here I have already kept little rice powder. So once you are done with the preparation, just smear it, and now the rice laddus are ready. Do prepare and comment if you like.